Hey guys, it's one of these days. So yeah, I'm going to pick up Malika from school. Today's Wednesday, so she usually have swimming on a Wednesday. But it's freezing, people, it's freezing. Might as well, we shouldn't even make sure to go to school today, but another thing though. VLOGMAS day number 22. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Know the thing, 3 more days to Christmas. Yeah. So this video is all about just nothing. Just showing you guys what I do. Typical work day. Went to work this morning. It's my lunchtime now. Going to pick up Malika. Drop off Malika. Go back at work. We're supposed to go on the road later to do finish up some stuff. Hold on, this gets so dark. Supposed to go on the road later to finish up some stuff, so just take you guys with me, alright? Oh, hello.
Hello.
How are you, Malika? Have fun? Yeah. Let's go, it's cold. Hi guys. Turn on a heater. Well, go on, welcome back. Hope you guys have had a great day today. Leaving work right now, guys, and I'm telling you, the weather is crazy. It's not just school, but the snow, it's crazy. About to go on the road, just to leave work for pick up Nats and the babies. We're about to go on the road. We're going to the mall. We're just going to a few other places. Hopefully I can take you guys to most of the places that we're going. Of course, you know, you guys know I like to take you guys around, definitely. But what I want to talk about while I'm on my way home, and I am in a little bit of traffic, so I do have a little bit of time, is Canadian winter. Guys, I'm not joking. Now, I want to be very careful when I say Canadian winter, because Canada is very big, and there are some places that are warmer than some, and some places that have less snow than some. So some persons might be in Canada and them not really experiencing what a Canadian winter is like. Now, if you're anywhere like where I am at, which is northern Alberta, I'm telling you guys, Canadian winter is not very nice in terms of adjusting to. You have to be very prepared, and it goes outside of the physical in terms of making sure that you're dressed properly and all of them stuff. So, apologies if my hand shake too much, guys. It's just that I'm driving and my only phone, alright? So just go and rock with me a little bit. It's very mental as well, guys. And that is the part that I want to talk to you guys about quickly. Now it get dark very, very quickly. By 4 o'clock it's dark, and then the sun don't come up back until 9:30 to 10, where I am at. So you go to work in darkness and you go home in darkness. So that's very depressing. The weather is also very depressing, guys. It's also very cold. You can't go outside really unless you're really bungled up. So nobody not go outside unless them go work, them go shopping, and them do things that them can't really avoid. So the thing where you can just leisurely go on a walk or whatever, no, that's not really present. So because of that, there's a lot of depression and stuff like that. So the darkness plus the winter makes it very, very difficult for persons to survive winter. And a lot of persons get what is called cabin fever, which is really a condition and stuff like that. But yeah, for me personally, this is our third winter. This is our third winter now here in Canada, so we kind of know what to expect. But it doesn't matter, because persons who are born here don't get used to it. So it's not something that you can get used to. It's not something that you can say, okay then, I've been here for a number of years, so you'll get used to it, or you're born here, so you'll get used to it. It's not the case. I do understand when persons say that they are tired of the cold, and they want to go to that warmer climate to retire and stuff like that. I do understand, because guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. Now, would I trade it? Definitely not. I would not trade it to go back to a country like Jamaica, even though Jamaica has a better weather and of course the mental health is not really under pressure as much as it is short winter time. But this is one of the things that I'd say that I don't like in terms of the harsh winter. Now everybody like a little snow every now and again when you know you can roll and make two little snowman, but it is so cold that you can't even go outside to do that, so it not even make no sense where we are at. So if it is that you're moving to one of these places, guys, please bear that in mind. Please know that you have to be very strong, you have to be very firm, and yeah, you have to just make sure you take everything into consideration and just be prepared. Be prepared. That's all I can say. Now I'm not even sure if you guys are seeing me properly because it's very dark. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just pick up nuts now. I'm almost home, so yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next scene. Yeah. Here's a short picture. Okay, good. Wait, get it. Mommy good? Mommy like loving it? One way thing I beat you, you know this. One way thing I beat you, you know. See, the arrows on the ground. And we will let them kick you out, you know? You know that? Let me kick you out time, you know? Tell her that. Run a sister. So Charles playing over there right beside bottom body. Go show the buy the thing from Malika.
Don't want to hold on to my hand? It's okay.
Okay, you're a big girl now. You can walk by yourself.
Come, MJ. Your jacket is nasty out though. Come. Come, Malimi. And
Like it? Yeah. Gonna go and get you something.
okay.
Wait when you walk in the door. I was going to buy you those shoes. That's what I was trying to find out.
Children's place. Come.
This is
Take
what-
the umbrella over this.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah.
That'd be right.
These are the pictures.
This one.
Hmm?
This one you have on. Yeah. Come. Okay, what are we gonna get you now?
Which one you like?
Alika, come.
Come and choose.
So,
Yes, mommy?
so 3 to 6 months is like cafe, man. You see?
Yeah.
Come, Alika, which one do you like? Which one do you like? This one?
You like that one, mama?
What about
40
that one?
too, you know? A 40.
You like this one?
Yeah, she like that one. So that's why she pick it up.
Well, what about the red one, Alika?
She pick up what she likes. What size is that?
40.
She pick her size.
You want this one?
You see, shake her head, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I You putting it back?
Mama, what about this one?
Look at that one, Malika. Look. No. No, look at what daddy is
What about
showing
this
you.
one?
You like that one?
No?
No. She said no.
You don't like this one? You prefer that one? Thank you. Right, no, put it with the red.
No, put it back up there so I don't give people that much. Medium.
You like that?
Yes. Not much adults not there. And this thing right there, so and that's it.
Which one do you prefer? It's a treaty, but it...
We shall look on ourselves.
Yeah.
So what we're going with?
One of your friend, this can't fit on there.
What size?
6 to 9 ones is
Big.
0 to 3 ones, yeah. Yeah, sizes.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can get.
Maybe a little big on, but I think it's good enough, right? So the
Another one. What do you guys think? Which one? Yeah, this one for sure.
Hello.
There's no more one over there.
Yep. Yeah. Awesome. Pick it up, Malika. Pick it up, Mama. Good job. Mm-hmm. You want something close to for them?
Alright.
Is there anything you're looking for?
Not really, just looking around.
Okay, just want me to see if I put anything.
Sounds
Okay.
good. I'm saying it must be fun getting to wear pajamas to wear.
Yeah.
Hey, this one.
Come, Malika.
Hey, stop pulling car. Hey, hey. Watch out on her face.
Alright.
Guys, I forgot to just pick something.
Because
In case you don't want to know over there, guys, we're in a Walmart right now. I look some stuff because Nash plant for do a bacon.
yeah,
Bacon.
and a baking section.
But over there now.
Soap section.
Soap section.
You kind of hard to choose because we get so used to the cost of things. Now if you come buy this off the buy that. All you need to buy.
These are what the prices look like, guys. $3.88 average. 2 for $6. Ole. Ole, dear man. What is the man like? This is the show first, huh?
And I mean, you have to use the same thing. This is yours.
So you're so aggressive?
How you want to use my thing? That is yours.
Yeah, no.
Aggressive with that.
What you mean aggressive with that? Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's a year one. Right. So why me get dial and not axe? That way there. I'll take the axe instead. Axe $3.88. All cheap on the dial. We want to buy. Monica, watch your back. MJ, come.
MJ.
MJ.
What's up?
Joking? Hello. Careful. No, not the toothpaste. Choose the toothbrush, Malika.
Okay. Which one did you try last time?
I don't remember.
You want to show you from the machine? You have that.
That one was how much for it?
This? $5.
Oh, not bad, because she like it.
You like this one? You like this one? And then push on the button and push it good.
Yeah, go at least brush your teeth now.
Come on, put it in there. Put it in there. Put it in there. In the cart. Put it in the cart. Don't forget though.
Good job.
Good job. That's it. Hey, Mama.
MJ, you need to choose something quickly. Come, let's go over the big kid side. You're getting a big girl toy. Go, mommy, you're getting a big girl toy. Hmm?
So, you know what she wants? Like stickers. She loves stickers.
The stickers?
Yeah. She came home with our school work and because there's a lot of stickers. You can really put it on and stuff like that.
It's a book?
Nothing to talk, remember?
Nothing to talk?
Remember, that's what the teacher said.
Yeah.
When we're talking stuff.
Read. Yeah, guys, so just done up and down, do some shopping, do some all over the place. So now after 8 tired, so you know what we're gonna do right now, just look some food and go in, you know. We'll get some chicken. Guys, I'm telling you this. The baddest fried chicken in other place over there. I no KFC. I no Popeyes. I no McDonald's or none of them places. You know which part, guys? Mary Brown, the thing there, guys. Mary Brown, baddest fried chicken. Drive through long.
How about this firefighter? And where you go?
Closer.
Let me find that some you know. Like some accident.
Some accident?
Yeah, with that. Police. Let me find that some you know. What happened on our street?
So the
settings change. Yeah, settings change, so that's why Malik actually changed it. Yes, Malik, I'm blaming you, sorry, but I always in my phone changing stuff. College over there, right?
GPRC for all the people that goes on Northwestern Polytechnic.